Hey everyone, welcome to another top tip. Today we're going to be having a look at how to access profession-specific assessment form templates. So that's assessment form templates just created for whichever profession you're working in, whether that's a physio, podiatrist, a counsellor, whatever you do. We've got a whole library of assessment form templates that you can use to send to your clients that are already built for you. They're really easy to find. If you just head into WriteUpp, go into the main menu and go down to settings, and then you want to click in the assessments tab up here. And then you want to go into the assessment form library. So you can either click here or you can click on the little cart at the bottom of the screen there. And you'll see here there's a whole list of templates that you can use. You can then filter that by speciality. So if I go down to, for example, a physiotherapist, and it will pull up all of the templates that I can use as a physio in my clinic, and I can send those out to my clients. If I have a look at one of them, you can preview them, click on the three dots, click preview. You can see all of that's set up, all the fields are in there, everything's ready for you. You can then add that to your favorites. That will go into your template list. You can then send that to your clients. You can also edit that form, so you can add fields, take out fields that you don't need, and do whatever you like to it. It's super easy to use. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you're going to start using profession-specific templates in your practice, and it will just make life a little bit easier for you. Have a fantastic weekend when it comes, and we'll see you next week.